Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the biggest day for the Motorola Razr 2019 is just launched and the floatable smartphone trend is now begin. Recently we see floatable render video from the Samsung Floatable 2 and now the Motorola launch their new Motorola Razr 2019 flagship floatable phone. In this video we talk full detail about this flagships. So the phone is launched yesterday in Los Angeles, United States of America. Motorola Razr 2019 is the amazing phone. We talking about the full specification of the Motorola Razr 2019. If you fold the device is the 94 by 72 by 14 millimeter dimension. If not fold of this phone means unfoldable. The phone is 172 by 72 by 6.9 millimeter and the phone is 205 gram. The phone is splash proof means the waterproof and the screen of this phone is 6.2 inch and a 70.2 screen to body ratio, 876 by 2142 pixels and 373 pixel density. This phone also have a second external OLED display which is 600 by 800 pixel and 2.7 inches. Razr come with Android 9.0. In this phone have a chipset Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 which is 10 nanometer. In CPU it has a octa-core 2.2 GHz CPU. In the GPU it has a Adreno 616 Adreno GPU. The phone is only come with one variant, 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. The phone main camera is the 16 megapixel f1.7 dual pixel. Remember, no ultra wide lens or zoom lens in this rear camera. You can record 4K at 30 frames per second. We talking about the front facing camera. It has a 5 megapixel f2.0 front facing camera. Video recording on front facing is 1080p by 30 frames per second. If we're talking about more feature in this phone, the phone have a front mounted fingerprint which is really good, and the phone have come with USB 3.0 type C. Battery in this phone is not high, 2510 mAh, which is I think little small. The phone is only come with a single black color. In the last we talking about the price. The new Motorola Razr will initially be available exclusive through Verizon for $1,500, or you can buy it $62 per month for a 24-month payment plan. Pre-order open on December 26, 2019, and then the phone will get release date during January 2020. So this phone have some pros and cons. We talking about this. The pros of this phone is a great execution to revive the flip phone, small closet from factory of a nice size. Front screen is a great for selfie, and the cons in this phone has a no more screen than conventional phones, limited performance and little bit of pricey. Personally, I really like this phone, but the price is little bit high for this phone. Let me know your thought in the comment section for this phone. If you like the video, thumbs up, and for more tech related video hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.